Lessons on learning loss in the thick of the pandemic are becoming more clear tonight as most students get settled back into class. New research by Michigan State University cuts to the bottom line. Take math, for instance. More students are meeting or exceeding typical growth now compared to the 2021 school year, but nearly 10% still lag behind. The study also shows reading growth struggling to recover compared to the pre-COVID national norm. But for some, the impact has been even greater than others. 7 Action News reporter Kim Russell goes in depth tonight on what the pandemic has taught us.
Lamar, tell me, what was the pandemic like for you?
Trashy.
East Point High School senior Lamar Thomas doesn't sugarcoat it. When school shut down in 2020 to prevent the spread of COVID-19 as hospital systems became overwhelmed, he struggled to focus on learning at home.
It was bad.
Oh, you don't even want to
It
talk
was bad.
about it.
When the pandemic hit, I was going into high school, and so I didn't get to experience my 9th and 10th grade year. So I'm basically a freshman in 11th grade.
Lyric Walker says she struggled to ask for help learning algebra and chemistry virtually and fell behind. While most districts are back full-time in person, their district says this school year it's offering a hybrid schedule because of concerns from traumatized families who lost loved ones, and to provide smaller in-person classrooms for more individualized learning. Both of these students say their grades are improving.
I ended up getting all A's, B's, and stuff like that.
Congratulations. And what do you want to be when you grow up?
I want to be an OBGYN.
That would be awesome.
Yeah.
The fact students are making up for lost learning is backed up in a new study. Take a look at this. Michigan State University's Education Policy Innovation Collaborative found that more students are meeting or exceeding academic growth.
So that's all good news. The bad news is the rate of learning is still not fast enough for us to have had students kind of catch up to where we would have expected them to be prior to the pandemic.
The other bad news, researchers found students who are economically disadvantaged fell further behind during the pandemic. East Point Community Schools Superintendent Christina Gibson says families felt it.
If you're an hourly employee, you don't have the same flexibility to take time off to be at home with your students. I think the pandemic heightened the gaps.
When you hear students talk about the stress they experienced trying to learn during the pandemic, it really hits home. If we want learning for all, it's not just about academics. And after the pandemic, we had more support for social emotional learning to support the whole child.
Counseling services, social work services. So what is the safety net to keep students successful?
It's okay to feel, and it's okay not to be okay. And when you're not, what do you do? What are those coping strategies?
Director of Instructional Programs and Services at Northville Schools, Sandra Brock, says she believes the pandemic taught us that trauma needs to be addressed if we want to accelerate learning growth.
Resources matter.
Northville Public School Superintendent Dr. R.J. Weber has worked in schools with high and low levels of poverty and acknowledges his current district felt the impact of the pandemic, but not as much as some districts. To put it in perspective, in East Point, the National Center for Education Statistics reports 31.8% of families qualify for food assistance, and the median income of households is $47,623. In Northville, 1.5% of families qualify, and that number is $192,156.
We experienced far less learning loss than other school districts did. And I would argue a big part of that is that we've had the resources, the parental support, to really be in a position to attend to the needs of our kids.
The message from these educators, COVID-19 response funding programs have the potential to be transformational for Michigan's education system if we learn to provide for students with special needs, emotional needs, and economic needs, as studies show is effective. Kim Russell, 7 Action News.